Good morning, students. Today, 11th chemistry class. 11th chemistry class. This is a new lesson. That is a chemical bonding lesson. This lesson is a chemical bonding. Previous class we learning about periodic classification of element. This is a new lesson. That is a chemical bonding lesson. Part 1. Part 1. Okay. Previous video class we learning about classification of element, periodic classification of elements. So many periodic properties is okay, we will discuss earlier. This video class we will start new lesson, that is a chemical bonding. That is known as chemical bonding lesson. That is a part 1. That is known as part 1. Okay, first, what is a molecule? Okay, what is a molecule? Definition: a group of atoms existing together. Group of atoms. So many atoms combined together, exist together as one species having characteristic property called a molecule. Say example, O2. This is a molecules. Compound, the smallest particle of compound is a molecule, O2. That is a group of atoms. Here two atoms are combined, oxygen and oxygen. Oxygen is oxygen combined to form molecules. And hydrogen, H2, hydrogen and hydrogen combined to form hydrogen molecules. Nitrogen atom and nitrogen atom combined to form nitrogen molecules. Water molecules, hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom combined to form water molecule. That is a group of atoms. Here two atoms, hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Group of atoms existing together as one species, to form one species. That is known as water. Having characteristic property. What are the characteristic properties? Is different from hydrogen and oxygen. Different from hydrogen and oxygen. Is called molecules. Now phosphorus, that is a P4. In phosphorus molecule, 4 atoms is a combined. Phosphorus molecule, 4 atoms is a combined, is known as phosphorus molecule. Now sulfur molecule, S8. Sulfur molecule is a S8. Sulfur molecule is a S8. Sulfur molecule is a S8. Okay, this is a molecules. This is known as molecule. But our lesson, what is the lesson? Chemical bonding. This lesson is a chemical bonding. Okay, next definition of chemical bonding. Definition. Chemical bonding, two atoms is chemically combined. Two atoms, not physically combined. Chemically combined. That is chemical combine. So suppose say example, A atom is combined with B, chemically combined. A and B attractive forces. This attractive forces is called as a chemical bonding. The attractive force which hold various constituent maybe atoms or ions etc. So ions, you see, carbonate. This is ions. This is a carbonate structure. This is ions. This is a carbon oxygen to form bond formation. That is known as chemical bonding. Together in a different chemical species. Different chemical species are known. Or same chemical species. You see, the same chemical species. The attractive forces between the two atoms, called chemical force or valence force. In the force, what is that? This force. The force, valence force or attraction force is circular. Or valence force or chemical force. The force, valence forces or chemical force. These are an association. The association between atom and the atom combine in a molecule by valence force. In the valence force called chemical bonding. This valence force is called chemical bonding. Say example, HCl molecule. This bond chemical bond because the valence force between hydrogen and the chlorine. The valence force between hydrogen and the chlorine is known as chemical bonding. Sodium chloride, the valence force between sodium and chlorine is known as chemical bonding. This bond, valence force, is known as chemical bond. Okay. chemical bond. Okay. Now, 9th standard onwards, we are studying octet rule. Octet rule, outermost cells containing 8 electron is stable. That is a noble gas configuration. That is a stable. That is known as octet. Any elements can combine another element. Combined with another element, the electronic configuration, the outermost cells contain 8 stable. That is known as octet rule. Atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electron. Combine avarappo, suppose atom A combine with B, valence electron transfer. Valence electron is a transfer from one atom to another. Valence electron transfer to one atom to another by gaining or losing. The lose A atom is a losing, B atom is a gaining. Give and take policy. Give and take policy means transfer of valence electron from one atom to another atom by gaining or losing. A is a losing, B is a gaining by R. Gaining or losing, this bond is known as ionic bond. Later we will be studying ionic bond or sharing of valence electron. Valence electron sharing, valence electron sharing in order to have an octet in the valence cell. Valence cell octet agum. This is known as octet rule. This is known as octet rule. This is known as octet rule. Next, mode of chemical combination. Every combine atoms combining in which mode? Electron transfer or sharing. That is the modes of atoms combining. Modes of chemical combination. Modes of chemical combination. Modes of chemical. Every combine atom how is combined? Which mode? Transferring or sharing of electrons. Okay. The arrangement of electron in noble gas. Noble gas outermost 8 electron is present. Noble gas is a criteria for stability. Is a criteria for stability. Any element when it is stable, outermost electron 8, that is a noble gas configuration. Attain that element is a stable. Studying 9th standard onwards, that is a stable. That is a fully filled. Fully filled. That is NS2 NP6. NS2 NP6. NS2 NP6. So the valence electron that determine the chemical behavior of atom. Chemical behavior of atom. Valence electron that decide panum. Say example, sodium is a 11, atomic number is 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That is a one valence electron is a presence. So this electron only participation for bond formation. So if the electron donate if you donating this electron, it forms Na plus and Cl minus. That is Na plus now 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. How many electron is present in valence cell? 8 electron. That is a octet. That is a octet. So Na and Na plus, which is the most stable now? Na plus is the most stable because outermost 8 electron is present. That is the octet rule or noble gas configuration. Here only one electron, so easily is removing. Okay. So now 3 major type of chemical bond formation. 3 major chemical bonding. 3 major types of chemical bonding formations. 3 major types. 3 type of chemical bonding. So 3 types. So chemical bond is 3 types. First one is ionic bond. First one ionic bond. Second one covalent bond. Second one covalent bond. And third one coordinate bond. Third one coordinate bond. Ionic bond and covalent bond you study in 10th standard onwards, but covalent bond study in 11th standard. Okay. Now this year you will study 3 topic. That is a mode of chemical combination. 3 type of bond formation. 3 type of bond formation. The first type ionic type. Ionic bond. First one ionic bond. We have defined how formation of this compound bond. Transfer of electron. Stability through transfer of electron. Or sharing, transfer of electrons. So electron transfer பண்றதால one element transfer to another element. So one element lose ஆகும், another element that electron is gain ஆகும். That is the transfer of electron to form ionic bond. Second covalent bond. Second covalent bond. Sharing of electrons. Stability through mutual. எப்படி stability na mutual stability through mutual sharing of electron. Mutual sharing of electron. Mutual sharing நடக்கும். Stability through mutual sharing of electron. Now third coordinate bond. Third one coordinate bond. Third coordinate bond. Stability through partial transfer. Partially transfer or partially sharing. Partially sharing. So stability first பாருங்க ionic bond எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா transfer of electron. Complete transfer of electron from one element to another element. First transfer ஆவனால that element to acquire noble gas configuration. That element acquire noble gas configuration to form stability. So stable ஆயிரும். Then covalent bond எப்படி stability ஆகுதுன்னா mutual sharing of electron. Give and take ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் கம்பைன் ஆகிறப்போ ஷேர் பண்ணிக்க எலக்ட்ரான் ஷேரிங். This is a study in 10th standard, first and second. Now third வந்து coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Stability through partial transfer. Ionic bond na complete through transfer of electron. This through transfer of electron. This is completely ionic bond na complete transfer. But coordinate bond na partial transfer. Not complete. Complete transfer agadu. Partial கொடுக்கும். Then or partial sharing. Ionic bond na completely transfer of electron. Coordinate bond na partial transfer of electron. Covalent bond na completely mutual sharing of electron. இங்க partially sharing ஆகும். பட்டும் படாம நடக்கும். That is a coordinate bond. That is known as coordinate bond. Okay. This is a 3 type of chemical bond that we will discussing. Okay. Now Cousel-Lewis approach of chemical bond. First chemical bond I explain பண்ணவர Cousel. First chemical bond explanation by Cousel. Cousel scientist first chemical bond I explain பண்ணார். Now Cousel-Lewis approach. Lewis approach of chemical bonding. First chemical bond explain பண்ணவர Cousel. First chemical bonding explained by Cousel. Chemical bond explain பண்ணவர Cousel. How Cousel என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, cube consider பண்ணிட்டார். cube வந்து கன்சிடர் பண்ணிருக்காரு. It's a cube. Okay, each corner electron present. How many carbon இருக்கு? 8 electron. This is the electron, the electron, 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 8 electron. So 8 corner, அப்ப 8 electron. இப்ப noble gas பாத்தீங்கன்னா noble gas is the outermost ns2 np6 configuration. How many electron is present? 8 electron. That is a valence electron 8. அப்ப 8 corner ல present ஆயிருக்கு. 8 corner ல present ஆயிருந்தா that is element is stable. அந்த cube ல 8 corner ல electron present இருந்தா stable. Some element வந்து other than noble gas க்கு அப்புறம் 8 electron present ஆயிருக்காது. ஓகே, இத தான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாரு Coastal-Lewis approach. Coastal-Lewis approach. Okay, now you see I will write the statement. Okay, this is based on inertness of noble gas. So Coastal-Lewis approach, Coastal-Lewis structure வந்து based on inertness of noble gas. Noble gas உடைய inertness வச்சு தான் அந்த bond எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கெமிக்கல் பாண்ட். ஓகே, அந்த inert gas தான் அந்த கியூபை கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறார். ஓகே, now பாயிண்ட் வைஸ் ஆயிருக்கிறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட், பாசிட்டிவ்லி சார்ஜ்டு. பாசிட்டிவ்லி சார்ஜ்டு கெர்னல், பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ்னா கெர்னல்னு வைக்கும். கெர்னல் நியூக்ளியஸ் plus inner cell electron. Nucleus plus inner cell electron, that is known as kernel. Second, the other cell could accommodate maximum 8 electron. Maximum 8 electron. 8 electrons. Okay, now third point, he further assumed that these 8 electrons occupy corner of the cube. Occupy the corner of cube. Corner of cube. Now you see, consider this. Now you consider this neon. So atomic number is a 10. Helium neon atomic number 10. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6. 1s2 2s2 2p6. Okay, neon and argon you consider 18. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6. Okay, then nucleus. This is the nucleus plus inner cell. This is a valence cell. This is a valence cell. This is a inner cell. Inner cell. The nucleus plus inner cell is called as a kernel. Nucleus plus inner cell is called as a kernel. And valence cell 8 electron is present in a cube of the corner. Corner of a cube. Cube of a corner. This is a cube. This 8 electron. This 1 electron. This another electron. Another electron. Okay. So kernel, the inner cell plus nucleus is known as kernel. வேலன்ஸ் செல் உள்ள எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் எல்லாமே அந்த கார்னர்ல ஃபிட் பண்ணிக்கணும். கீபோர்ட கார்னர்ல ஃபிட் பண்ணிக்கணும். தட் இஸ் 8 கார்னர் 8 கார்னர். இந்த கார்னர் எல்லாமே ஃபில் ஆயிடுச்சு. 8 கார்னர் ஃபில். சோ இட் இஸ் a stable. 8 கார்பனும் ஃபில் ஆயிருக்கனால 8 கார்னரும் எலக்ட்ரான் ஃபில் ஆயிருக்கனால it is a stable. This is known as stable. It is a stable element. This is a stable element. This is a stable element. இப்போ ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். We will see the this is a Coastal-Lewis approach of chemical bond. You note down இதோட explanation கொடுத்திருக்கான். One explanation is given. First explanation பாருங்க. Example 1, sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine achieve stable state. Stable octate state. Stable to achieve the stable state. The stable state octate. The stable state octate when they are linked by chemical bond. When they are linked by chemical bond. Chemical bonds. How? Sodium and chlorine achieve stable by octate. Octate by transfer of electron. Transfer of electrons from sodium to chlorine. Sodium to chlorine. Okay, they are given by Na plus and Cl minus. Given by Na plus and Cl minus formation. How? Sodium atomic number is 11. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the inner cell. Inner cell. This is a valence cell. Valence cell, how many electron is present? 1 electron is present. Chlorine is 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. This is a kernel. This is a kernel. The valence cell, how many electron is present? 7 electron. Appo cube 7 corner occupied by electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1 electron is missing. 1 corner is missing. Here 7 corner is missing. This is a kernel. Now, complete a transfer of electron from sodium. This is sodium, chlorine. In the 1 electron transfer to this corner. Oh, the electron transfer ஆயிடுச்சுனா here empty. Now this electron will come. Octate ஆயிடுச்சா 8 corner occupied. But இங்க only 1 corner தானே. இது போன பிறகு இந்த 1s electron போன பிறகு இது valence cell, இது kernel-ஆ மாறிடும். This is a 1s2 sodium nucleus kernel-ஆ மாறிடும். And the 3s1 electron given to the chlorine போன பிறகு என்ன ஆகும்? இது valence cell-ஆ மாறிடும். Another is a kernel-ஆ மாறும். Valence cell how many electron இருக்கு? 8. அப்ப இது stable. 8 corner-ம் occupy ஆயிடுச்சு. That is a stable. இத தான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாரு. Coastal-Lewis approach. Coastal-Lewis approach தான் chemical bonding for Coastal-Lewis approach. But ஆனா இது failure ஆயிடும். It's a failure because so more than one element the chemical bond formation is failure. This is a Coastal-Lewis approach is failure for more than one electrons, more than one chemical elements present ana. Okay, this is a Coastal-Lewis approach. Note down. Next topic is a Lewis symbol. Next topic is the Lewis symbol. Next topic is a Lewis symbol. And how to write this Lewis symbol? Lewis symbol. How to write the Lewis symbol? Kana enna topic main topic solla. Adukku munnadi nariya topics irukku, adha introduce panren. Okay, you write a note down, class work la note paniko. Then every topic mudinja piragu I will give the NEET question and JEE main question kudukka poren. MCQ question, this chemical bonding lessons வந்து ரொம்ப long time நடத்த போறோம். ஒரு 15 classes continue பண்ண போறேன். அதாவது NEET questions, JEE main question, all the MCQ questions solve பண்ண போறேன். It's a very important lesson. Okay, this is a very important lesson. So every time you watch the videos and you write the notes. Okay, that is a very important for you. Now Lewis symbols. The elements, how to write the Lewis symbols. Valence cell electron மட்டும் தான் நம்ம indicate பண்ணணும். Lewis symbolsல you are indicating only writing valence cell electron. Inner cells writing பண்ண கூடாது. Don't write the inner cells electrons. Okay. Statement I will write formation of molecule only outer cell electron, only the outer cell electrons take part in a chemical reaction. First layer பார்த்தோம் outer cell தான் reaction நடக்கும், chemical combinations. outer cell மட்டும் தான் involve ஆகும். valence cell தான் kernel part involve ஆகாது. kernel ல nucleus. inner cell electron does not take part in a chemical combination. bond formation க்கும் chemical reaction க்கும் inner cell electron never participation. only valence cell electron மட்டும் participation ஆகும். Okay. Now second point, the inner cell electron well protected involve ஆகாது. protected and are generally not involved chemical combination, not involved in chemical combination la involve ஆகாது. ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க, sodium. The great example sodium தான். sodium is 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. okay, this is a valence cell. chemical bond formation ஆனா இந்த valence cell electron மட்டும் தான் involve ஆகும். In the inner cell electron does not involve chemical combination and chemical reaction. அப்ப இது டெட்டா தான் இருக்கும். well protected. protect I think generally not involve chemical reactions, chemical combination ல இது this is not involved, only valence electron மட்டும் தான் involve ஆகுது. இந்த எலக்ட்ரானை தான் நம்ம எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம், Lewis symbolsல யூஸ் பண்றோம். so valence electron only used in Lewis symbol, not inner electron யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். okay. now next, simple notation to reference valence electron. இதுதான் Lewis symbol to reference valence electron in an atom. valence electrons in an atom. This is called Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol. simple notation பண்றோம், mention பண்றோம். that is to reference valence electron. to valence electron மட்டும் தான் நம்ம reference பண்றோம். that is known as Lewis symbol. இதான் என்ன ஆட்டத்துல ரெஃபரன்ஸ் பண்றதுனால this is known as Lewis symbol. ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாமா? second period element. example, you consider this second period element. in periodic table la second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Here I will write here oxygen, fluorine. The second period element, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. This is a second period element. How to write the Lewis symbol? Lithium 3 atomic number, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9. okay. first I will write the Lewis symbol for lithium. lithium atomic number 3 electronic combination 1s2, 2s1. 1s2, 2s1. how many valence electron is present? one valence electron is a present ஆயிருக்கு. This is a inner electron. அப்ப லூயிஸ் symbol என்னது valence electron மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். That is I will write இந்த மாதிரி டாட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். லூயிஸ் symbol டாட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் or cross. லூயிஸ் symbol டாட் or cross யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். டாட் or cross யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். That is a 1. Beryllium atomic number 4 1s2 2s2 but 2 electron is a presence, so that is a 1 2. Boron atomic number 5 1s2 2s2 2p1 1s2 2s2 2p1, that is 3. Valence electron is a 3, that is a Lewis symbol 3 electron mention பண்றோம். 1 2 3. Carbon atomic number 6 1s2 2s2 2p2, valence electron 4 1 2 3 4. Nitrogen valence electron is atomic number is 7, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3, a total 5 electron 1 2 3 4 5. Nitrogen உடைய Lewis symbol. Oxygen valence electron 8, sorry atomic number 8 1s2 2s2 2p4, valence electron is a 6, அப்ப 6 electron இருக்கணும். பாருங்க இந்த symbol யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் 1 2 3 4 5 6 or this symbol யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் 1 2, எதுக்கு வேணா எந்த symbol வேணாம், any cross symbol or dot symbol எதை வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், எதை வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Fluorine atomic number 9, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5, 7 valence electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is a Lewis symbol of fluorine. This is a Lewis symbol of fluorine. Lewis symbol of fluorine. Lewis symbol of fluorine. Okay. Next is signification of Lewis symbol. Okay, Lewis symbol number of dot in valence shell electron is expressed in a dot or cross. Okay, now signification of Lewis symbol. Signification of Lewis symbol. Now the number of dot around the symbol represents the number of valence shell electron. எத்தனை டாட் இருக்கோ அதுதான் valence electron. So 5 dot இருந்ததுன்னா that is a number of valence shell electron is a 5. 5 dot இருந்ததுன்னா number of valence shell electron is a 5. 3 dot இருந்ததுன்னா number of valence shell electron is a 3. 8 dot இருந்ததுன்னா number of valence electron is a 8. That is number of dot equal to number of valence electron. Second, this number of valence electron help to calculate common group valence. The valence electron வச்சு அந்த குரூப்போட வேலன்ஸை கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குரூப்பா செகண்ட் குரூப்பா 13 குரூப் 15 அதனுடைய வேலன்ஸை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம் by using valence electron. அப்போ டாட்டை வச்சு என்னது ஈஸியா குரூப் வேலன்ஸை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். Now this group valence of the element is generally either equal to number of dot. But number of dot க்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கலாம் group valence அல்லது or 8 minus number of dot, number of valence electrons. If there 4 dot க்கு மேல போயிடுச்சுன்னு வெச்சுங்க, suppose valence electron 5 4 now up to valence electron 1 2 3 4 இது இருந்தா that is a number of valence electron is a group valency. Number of valence electron is a group valency. Suppose 4 க்கு மேல போயிடுச்சு valence electron 5 6 7 8 இப்படி வந்தா valence electron 5 6 7 8 வந்தா அதனுடைய group valency 8 minus number of valence electron, number of valence electron. So valence electron 4 க்கு மேல போயிடுச்சுனாவே valence group valence find out பண்றது 8 minus number of valence electron. பாருங்க 8 minus number of dot or valence electron if the greater than 4 valence electron greater than 4 க்கு மேல போயிடுச்சுனா இது பாருங்க செகண்ட் பீரியட் போட்டுருக்கோம். This is a lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. This is second period element. This is a second period element. இதனுடைய valence பாருங்க lithium outermost one electron, that is only one dot, so it is a valency 1. That is a valency 1. Beryllium Lewis dot symbols la 2 valence electron is present. So adanode valence enadhu group valency 2. Boron 3. 1 2 3, so valency 3. Carbon valency 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 valence electron present, so that is the valency 4. 4. But Nitrogen atomic number is a 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. How many valence electron is present? 5 valence electron is present. Appo group valency 8 minus number of valence electron. So 8 number of valence electron 2 plus 3 5. That is the valence another 3. That is valency 3. 8 minus 5 3. Oxygen valence electron 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. இது வந்து 4 oda is greater than 4, so 8 minus 6 valence electron subtraction panna 2, that is the valency 2. Oxygen valency 2. That is a halogen family la fluorine 7 valence electron is present. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, that is a valency of fluorine is 1. Neon paranga valence electron is 8 electron is present. Appo 8 dot present ஆயிருக்கும். இது more than 4 electron presents valence electron. அப்போ group valence na 8 minus number of valence electron. Here 8 minus number of valence electron is 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. That is a 0. This is the signification of Lewis symbol. This is the signification of Lewis symbol. Next, variable covalency. So சில elements க்கு variable valency இருக்கும். Covalency. Many elements variable valency is there. அதுக்கு என்ன ரீசன் பார்க்க போறோம். Variable covalency. So many elements valency more than 1. So suppose say example phosphorus க்கு 3 valency, 3 and 5. 2 valency இருக்கு. 2 valency. 2 and that is a phosphorus is 2 valency, 3 and 5. So அதான் variable valency. Variable covalency. The topic from covalency, variable covalency. The second period element, the element of the second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine does not have d orbital. d orbitals கிடையாது. In the valence cell, say example padina second period beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. You consider oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. That's all. Next padina 3s, 3p, 3d. Okay, that is a 0 0 0. This is the element of the second period does not have d orbital. d orbital பாருங்க இல்ல. இது third period. d orbital absent ஆச்சு இந்த valence. அந்த மாதிரி elements தான் variable valency இருக்கும். Okay, now the elements having vacant d orbital. இதுக்கெல்லாம் வராது. Vacant d orbital in the valence cell such as phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, bromine and iodine show variable valency. So vacant d orbital இங்க பாருங்க second periodல d block இல்ல. அப்ப இது variable valency கிடையாது. Second period element absence of variable valency. Reason absence of 3d orbital. 3d orbital இருந்தா d orbital இருந்தா தான் உங்களுக்கு வேரியபிள் கோவேலன்சி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். செகண்ட் பீரியட் பெரிலியம் போரான் கார்பன் ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆக்சிஜன் ஃப்ளூரின் நியான் வேரியபிள் வேலன்ஸே கிடையாது, ஒன்லி சிங்கிள் வேலன்சி தான், எல்லாமே ஒரே வேலன்சி தான் இருக்கும். பட் the element having vacant d orbital present ஆயிருக்கணும். இந்த வேலன்ஸ் செல்ல வேக்கண்ட் d orbital இருந்தா வேரியபிள் வேலன்சி இருக்கும். சோ எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாஸ்பரஸ், சல்ஃபர், குளோரின், புரோமின் அண்ட் அயோடின். ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா வச்சுங்க, you see sulfur atomic number 16, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, now 3d, 3d 0, 3d 0 பாருங்க, total 16 ஆயிடுச்சா, 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 4 12, 12 plus 4 வந்து 16. So this is a K cell, the L cell, this is a M cell, this is a valence cell. This is a M cell valence cell. இங்க பாருங்க, valence cellல d orbital பாத்தீங்கன்னா vacant ஆ இருக்கு. d orbital is a vacant d orbital because electron present இல்ல, 0 இருக்கு, vacant ஆ இருக்கு. ஏதாவது எலக்ட்ரான் கிடைச்சனா வாங்கிக்கோ, that is a vacant d orbital. so இந்த மாதிரி எலிமெண்ட் தான் the element having vacant d orbital in the valence cell பாத்தீங்கன்னா vacant d orbital இருக்கனால this element show variable valency. இது நிறைய வேலன்சி கொடுக்கும். ஆனா இங்க எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா வச்சுங்க, செகண்ட் பீரியட் 1s2 2s2 2p4 அவ்வளவுதான், தேர்ட் பீரியடே கிடையாது, d orbital கிடையாது. செகண்ட் பீரியட் p orbital வரைக்கும் தான், d orbital absence of d orbital, so does not show variable valency. Here presence of vacant d orbital show variable valency. அதுக்கு ஒவ்வொன்றா பார்க்க போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாஸ்பரஸ்க்கு என்னென்ன வேலன்சின்னு பார்க்க போறோம். பாஸ்பரஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், பாஸ்பரஸ் வந்து 2 வேலன்சி பாத்தீங்கன்னா valency 3 and 5, that is a very important. phosphorus valency வந்து 3 and 5 covalency, 3 and 5 covalency ன்னு சொல்றோம். how to prove, இது எப்படி நான் ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போறேன். phosphorus உடைய valency 3 and 5 பாருங்க, variable valency 2 valency இருக்கு, 3 and 5. now you see the atomic phosphorus atomic number is a 15. electronic configuration பாருங்க, 1s2 2s2 I will write here, no place here, so I will write here. phosphorus 15, 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p then 3d. 1s2 2s2 2p6 1 2 3 4 5 6. now 3s2 3p6 3p5 வரும், டோட்டல் 15 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10 12 3p3 15. okay, now 3d 0 இப்போ வந்து valency phosphorus valency is a 2 valency, that is a valency 3 and 5. இப்போ first prove பண்றேன், valency 3 phosphorus உடைய valency 3. how? these 3 orbital involving 3 unpaired electron இருக்கா, these 3 orbitals. இது ground state. Ground state na நம்ம atomic structure la படிச்சிருக்கோம். When normal room temperature element is a ground state. For 3 electron unpaired electron irukka. These 3 unpaired is the valence cell. This valence cell. 3s 3p 3d valence cell. The 3 electrons involved in for chemical combination bond formation. Bond form ஆறனால இந்த 3 electron unpaired electron is given to the another element. So அப்போ இது valency 3. Now valency 5 எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்? Valency 5. Now this element pass process heat பண்றீங்க. இந்த valence electron இருக்குல்ல, now excited stateல இந்த valence electron 3 paired ஆன electron இந்த vacant d orbital போய் jump ஆயிரும். இங்க இருக்கிற electron இங்க jump ஆயிரும். So இங்க orbital vacant d orbital இருக்கனால இந்த electron paired electron will jump to the 3s ல இருந்து 3p valence செல்லுக்குள்ள ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆயிருக்கு. அப்ப இதனுடைய பாருங்க how many unpaired electrons இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4 5. இது 1 2 3 4 5. so இந்த 5 electron இன்வால்வ் ஆகுது, bond formation இன்வால்வ் ஆகுது. அப்ப அதனுடைய valency என்னது? that is a 5. so ground stateல valency 3 ஆ இருக்கும், excited stateல 5 ஆ இருக்கும். அப்ப phosphorus உடைய valency 3 and 5. அதே மாடல் தான் sulfur atom. that is the same model sulfur. அதை explain பண்ணிறேன். sulfur atomic number is 16. sulfur இதனுடைய variable valency பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3 valency 2 4 and 6. 2 4 and 6. how to will come எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னு பாருங்க. valency this is a covalency 2 4 6. more than one valency இருந்தா that is a covalency. more than one ஒரு valencyக்கு மேல இருந்தா that is a covalency. sulfurக்கு வந்து 3 valency. before நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? phosphorus covalency 3 and 5 பார்த்தோம். இப்ப sulfur பார்க்க போறோம். 3 valency இருக்கு, valency 2 இருக்கு, 4 இருக்கு, 6 இருக்கு. அது எப்படின்னு பாருங்க. sulfur atomic number 16. இதோட electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4 3d0. 3d0. இப்போ நான் பாக்ஸ்ல போறேன். 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p now 3d. okay, this is a 1s2 but 2 electron. now 2s2 electron 2p6 6 electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron. now 3s2 1 2 electrons 3p4 1 2 I'll write big size 1 2 3 4. this is a 3d0 vacant d orbital. vacant d orbital. this is a ground state. ground state is valence electron. valence cell. this is a valence cell. how many electron is present? valence cell 6 electron. 2 plus 4 electron is present. but total 6 valence electron present. okay, 2 plus 4. now ground state la how many electron is unpaired electron is present? this is a unpaired electrons. 1 2. this unpaired electron 2 unpaired electron to form bond formation. அப்ப இதனுடைய valency என்ன? what is the valency? is a 2 in ground state. ல இது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா valence இல்ல you study in 12th standard ல இருக்கு. FCl2 இதான் compound, sulfur dichloro compound. you study in NEET exams la paapom. later we will discussing. okay, So sulfur valency 2 in a ground state. In a ground state. Now you apply the temperature, heat apply panna porom. This valence electron, this electron, paired electron, observing heat, it jumps to the vacant d orbital. Full jump ஆயிடுச்சு. When heat apply பண்றப்போ, heat apply பண்ணா vacant orbital shift ஆயிடுச்சு. Normal state கிடையாது. Normal room temperature ல valency 2 தான் நடக்கும். When temperature increase ஆறப்போ, the temperature absorb பண்ணிட்டு electron jumps from p orbital to vacant d orbital. Vacant d orbital இருந்தாதான் variable valency வரும். Present ஆகும். Vacant d orbital னா valency variable valency absent. So vacant இருக்கனால போய் jump ஆயிடுது. Now how many unpaired electron? 1 2 3 4 unpaired electron is present ஆயிருக்கு. அப்போ அதனுடைய valency என்ன? What is the valency? 4 when excited state. Excited state. சரி, இந்த 4 electron is involving to form bond formation. This 4 electron is involving bond formation. So அப்போ variable valency 4. சரி, again you will heat formation, heat supply பண்றோம். அந்த heat absorb பண்ணிட்டு this valence cell தான 3s 3p னா this electron 2 electron jump to the d orbital. இங்க இருக்கிற electrons இங்க jump ஆகும். என்ன ரீசன்னா, what is the reason? 3s 3p and 3d energy closer இருக்கும், energy same இருக்கனால பக்கத்துல இருக்கனால அந்த electron jump ஆகும். Now how many unpaired electron? 1 2 3 4 5 6 unpaired electron is present ஆயிருக்கு. அப்போ this unpaired electron involving to form bond formation. அப்போ valency என்ன? What? Excited state 6. Okay, now sulfur க்கு வந்து 3 valency. இப்போ more than 1 valency னா covalency சொல்லுவாங்க. That is a covalency. 3 valency இருக்கு. That is a 2 4 6. இப்போ valency 2 னா ground state நடக்கும். Valency 4 and 6 excited state. When temperature apply பண்ணா இது நடக்கும். This is a sulfur. This is a sulfur. Now chlorine. Very important, chlorine. Chlorine is very important for NEET examination also. Plus 2 ல யூஸ் ஆகும். 12th standard ல chlorine is atomic number is 17. இதனுடைய valency covalency 1 3 5 7. 1 3 5 7 is a covalency 1 3 5 7. 1 3 5 7. Now chlorine atomic number is 17. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5 and 3d0. vacant d orbital 0 இருக்கு. vacant d orbital வந்துருச்சா, அப்ப டெஃபினட்டா variable valency இருக்கும். variable valency. Okay, I will write box wise 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p then 3d. One s2 2s2 2p6 1 2 3 4 5 6 3s2 3p5 okay 3p5 now what happens? இது ground state. Ground state, how many electron is unpaired electron is present ஆயிருக்கு? Only one unpaired electron is present ஆயிருக்கு. That one electron is involving for bond formation. அப்ப ground state valency என்ன? What is the valency? 1. ground stateல 1 தான் இருக்கும். இந்த electron மட்டும் தான் involve ஆகும். Now heat supply பண்ண போறோம். That is the excited state. What happen? இந்த electrons இருக்குல்ல, இங்க shift ஆகும். Electron shift ஆகும். One electron shifted. So how many unpaired electron? 1 2 3. அப்ப chlorine this 3 electron in utilizing for bond formation அப்ப is a valency என்ன? What is it? Excited stateல 3. Now is a 3. Now again you heat supplied. This paired electron shifted to the vacant d orbital. Vacant d orbital. This is d orbitals. So how many unpaired electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 electrons involved for bond formation of a valency. Now what is the valency? 5. Again you heat formation. This is load. This is valence illa 3s electron. In the 3s electron, and the heat absorb pannite, this electron jumping to the 3d orbital because energy cell பக்கத்திலே இருக்கனால easy jump on a. How many unpaired electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7 electron is utilizing for bond formation of a valency. What is the valency? 7. So chlorine is a 4 covalency. 1, 3, 5 and 7. What is the reason? Vacant d orbital present ஆயிருக்கனால chlorine க்கு variable valency formation நடக்கும். Variable valency formation நடக்கும். That is a covalency. That is known as covalency. Okay, that's all. The variable valency over. Okay, next video class we will discussing about ionic bond, அதோட characteristics எல்லாம் பார்க்க போறோம். Then covalent bond. The chemical bonding la 3 theory is present ஆயிருக்கும். Valence bond theory, Vesper theory and molecular orbital theory. It's a very important theory for NEET. Okay, every class முடிஞ்சதுன்னா ஒவ்வொரு each topic I will give the MCQ question. Okay, ஒரு particular topic முடிஞ்சதுன்னா MCQ questions discussion பண்ணலாம். Okay, and NEET question and JEE main question. Okay, you write that notes. Okay, I will teach you for NEET level la நடத்த போறேன். NEET level la chemical bonding lesson is very important. So you study and you just watch the video, clear and note பண்ணிக்கோ. MCQ question solve பண்ணு. Okay, thank you. That's all.